Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Converting XML String to Pandas Data Frame in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. XML, extensible markup language, is a popular data interchange format, and at times, you might encounter XML data that needs to be transformed into a more convenient and analyzable format like a pandas data frame in Python. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting an XML string into a pandas data frame using the xml.etree.elementtree module and the pandas library. Requirements. Make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. Step 1. Import required libraries. Step 2. Parse XML string. First, parse the XML string using the xml.etree.elementtree module. This module provides a simple and efficient way to parse XML data. Step 3. Extract data and build data frame. Now, extract the data from the XML elements and build a pandas data frame. Step 4. View the data frame. You can now view the resulting pandas data frame. This will output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've demonstrated how to convert an XML string into a pandas data frame using Python. This process involves parsing the XML string using the xml.etree.elementtree module and then extracting the necessary data to construct a data frame using the pandas library. This technique can be valuable when working with XML data in Python for analysis or further processing. ChatGPT.